Yeah, right. This is how I clean this stuff. It's a pretty simple process. Just dump. You know what? These are the closest ones. Always wear eye protection, folks. You get some of this in your eye and it'll feel like your eyeballs are on fire. It's pretty simple stuff. Acetone. And hooks. I really like how the super chrome looks. Hopefully that bracket turned out good. Because if there's oil on anything, you'll get bubbles. Alright. Let me get them out. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. We have a couple of intake boots clamps here. These turned out really nice. This is not called super chrome, it's actually called reflective chrome. This is the bracket for the servo motor. Look at that. That's not too bad. These are really nice too. These are the spacers for the ignition coil. These are spacers for the driven clutch. Looks like there's a speck of something on that one. And we got the sway bar links. Those look pretty good. They're a little locked up just because of the powder coating. But I tried to do these ones light because then it makes it easier to free them up. But they're freed up. They look pretty good though. This is the grounding plate and wire holder that goes on top of the magneto housing. This is the plate that goes underneath the exhaust here. That turned out alright. I didn't have any black, so I figured, you know what, I'm just going to go chrome on this one. I think it'll add nice contrast, because that'll be on the bottom of the belly pan. So, hopefully I did it thick enough to where it won't get ground off real easy. And then we have, this is the holder for the coolant overflow tank. And that actually has a rubber, what do you call that? Just a bumper type piece that goes around it. Sorry. And that's what it stops from rubbing on the plastic. And the final product of this. And you can see they're still in that one spot. It's right there. And right there. That may actually be one too, or as well. Looks like there's a couple right here. I have a bad habit of moving the camera out of the way so I can see just above it. It brings the camera down too low, so sorry about that. But yeah, it's all going to get flattened out there. But it turned out pretty good. Looks like it was a little thin right here. I blame it on the color of the powder. It looks like aluminum. So it's kind of hard to tell where there's a thin spot, but I think that'll turn out all right. So that's it. That is the process that I use. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not a whole lot of assembly, but enough fun stuff to keep you interested, I hope. So I will have more in the next video, so make sure if you're not subscribed to go ahead and subscribe and press that alert button, the bell, that way you are notified of the next videos that pop up from this build. And like I said, this is my, if you don't know, and this is your first video, this is from my 02 ZR, Arctic Cat ZR 800 cross country rebuild. And I got it for a really good price. Had quite a few issues from the heat exchanger all the way to the engine, so from top to bottom. So I'm just going through the whole thing and doing what I can, and this is going to be one I'm going to be riding this year. That is the engine over there. Patiently waiting. I'm still not sure what color I'm going to go with the cylinders on that. For a second there, I was actually considering the silver, or this chrome, but I don't know how that would look. The bottom's going to stay black. I'm going to do the chrome on the mounts, the engine mounts, which are, you know, those pieces right there. They're so dirty, it's hard to tell they're even aluminum. And then the exhaust is going to be black. Case is going to be black, like I said. And I don't know, there's quite a bit of orange accents on this, orange and red. So I might go orange on the cylinders. So we'll see. That's about it for now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and look forward to the next one. And if there's any comments that you guys have or questions that I had or just things that I said throughout the video, please comment. I'd like to interact with people, and you know, if there's new ideas and someone's got a better way of doing something, you know, I'm always down for constructive criticism, you know, so definitely look forward to that. And yeah, we'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video. All right. Thanks a lot. Go ahead and share the video and like it if you, well, you know, if it was pleasing to you. So, all right. Take care. God bless.